This lesson focuses on the service item history. Let's check how to trace the service item history. You have access to the history of a service item from the day it is created. One of the pages you can check is the service item statistics page. This page contains the status of the service item on the current date based on what has been consumed and posted. The service item log keeps track of everything that happens with your service item. So let's check this for our dishwasher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look now for the dishwasher. And you see here 58 dishwasher. First thing I can check is, for instance, the statistics page. But as we know, we have not used the dishwasher on any service order. We did not register any consumption. We did not post anything for this dishwasher. So by consequence, when you would look at the statistics page for this service item, there would not be any data because nothing happened with this dishwasher. And that's what you see, for instance, if we take now dishwasher 58, you see invoiced amount, usage, the costs, the quantities, the profits made. There's all zero, of course, because no posting has been going on. So no consumption, no servicing yet for this service order. That will, of course, drastically change later on when we will have transactions for this dishwasher. Now, for this dishwasher, however, does have a service item log because some things there did happen. Now, let's check for the service item log of this dishwasher, and we can find that here on the Home tab if in the ribbon, and you can see here service item log. So if you click on it, then you see for service item 58, a number of things happened. They happened all together when creating it, so it was automatically created. There was a link with an inventory item, there was a ship to address, and there was a customer assigned to this service item, and that has all been registered in the service item log. Now, when we do the same checks for another service item, for instance, service item number 8, this computer, when you look at this service item and when we have a check on the service item log, then you see already that for this service item, a lot of more things happened to it. We worked much more with this than, for instance, with the dishwasher. What happened with this one, for instance, service item number 8, there was a service request for it, service order 13 on a specific date here. And it has also been, it's part of a contract as well. So you see that a little bit more happened to this service item, and then you will see that, for instance, you will have more on your statistics page here as well. You can check also, before we go to the statistics page, the service ledger entries, what has been posted already. And here you see that what has been posted is an invoice for the contract. There has been some usage for repair, so probably some resource hours or some spare parts were used. So in this case, spare parts were used. And this intervention with spare parts was invoiced as well. So you can see that here from the service item ledger entries. And you can see then on the statistics page that this, of course, sorry, wrong one, that this will also have an impact on your statistics. And you see here that all kinds of amounts have been placed in this statistics overview. So the more that you do with a service item, the more repair you have for it. For instance, you have put it on a contract, it's part of a service assignment on a service order, and there has been invoiced for the usage of that service order, then the more things you will see happening on the service item log, on the service ledger entries, and in the statistics as well. So after all these explanations, you're now ready to try and do it yourself. So please take the following practices.